Severe thunderstorms. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Washtenaw County until 6:30 p.m. At 4:54 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Gregory to Manchester and moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Manchester around 5:05 p.m., Chelsea around 5:10 p.m., Pleasant Lake around 5:30 p.m., Hudson Mills around 5:45 p.m., Hudson Mills Metro Park and Bridgewater around 5:50 p.m., Dexter around 5:55 p.m. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: Willis, Dixboro, Ypsilanti, Saline, Salem, Milan, Manchester, Dexter, Chelsea, and Auburn.